Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will talk about some more Streamlit functions. So first of all, I will discuss Markdown functions. So I just need to write here st.markdown. Markdown. So what is Markdown? So if you want to apply the HTML text property on your text, then you should use this Markdown function. Okay. So for example, if I want to write a bold text, okay, so the markdown for my bold text is these double stars. Okay, so double stars, I will say hello, hello. Okay, hello, and then I will also put my double stars. Okay, and then I will say WORLD world. Okay, now if I run it, you will see that this hello will be bold. Okay, and then this world will be normal. Okay, so let me run it. Open the terminal, new terminal, and here I will write streamlit man.py, hit enter, and this will start. And okay, and I just need to refresh it. Okay, so it has opened a new local host for us, and yeah, I just need to save it first, and then I need to rerun it. Okay, so rerun it, and yeah, this is my hello world. So as you can see that my this hello is bold. Okay, while my this world is in normal format. Okay, so this is how markdown work. And now for example, if I want to make this world italic, I just need to put a single star here in the beginning and a single star here at the end of the world. Just save it, always rerun. Okay, and yeah, this is my world now. It is in italic. Okay, so this is a list of all markdown. So you can write h1 heading using the hash. Like for example, if I want to convert my this hello world to an h1 heading. Okay, so I just need to remove these stars, and I just need to put this number sign. If I save it, okay, sorry, just give a space, save it. So now this line is basically written in my h1 tag of HTML. Okay, so there are a bunch of markdowns. Okay, so these are the headings, these are the bold, italic, block quote. Okay, so in order to write a block quote, you just need to put this sign. Okay, so if I put it right here, okay, just put it, save it, and open it. Okay, and yeah, this is my block code. Okay, so and yeah, we have here some lists as well. This is an ordered list, this is an unordered list. Okay, this is code. Okay, so if you want to add a code in your website, you should use these signs here. Okay, and this is the horizontal rule. Okay, so if I write here these three dashes, okay, and if I save it, if I come to this, and yeah, this is my horizontal rule. So as you can see, we have a cool rule here as well. And you can insert images, you can insert links using this type of format. Okay, like for example, if I want to add google.com link, okay, so I just need to write here, just remove it, my text will be Google. Okay, and I just need to add my link here. Okay, so just write here https, then these www.google.com, save it. Okay, and let's rerun it. And yeah, as you can see, we have this Google. So if I click on it, it will open google.com for us. And yeah, this is our google.com. So this is how you can add different types of markdowns. So you can add tables, these are code blocks. Okay, and there are a bunch of things. So I will give a link of this website down below, and you can go through all these examples using this st.markdown function of Streamlit. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this markdown. And now let's talk about captions. So you can even add captions to your page as well. So let me write here markdown, and let me put a horizontal line. Okay, and then I will write st.caption. Okay, and I will say hi, I am caption. Okay, caption, save it, just go to man, and yeah, hi, I am caption. Okay, so this is how you can add captions, and you can even add latex as well. Okay, so latex function basically allow us to add mathematical formulas or mathematical stuff in our website. Okay, so if I remove this thing, like for example, if I write LATX latex, okay, and if I want to insert here a matrix, okay, so I just simply need to write here these double quotes, okay, and make sure that you should write here raw. Okay, so I want Python interpreter to treat this string as a raw string. Okay, so now once I have this raw string, I just need to write the pattern, and for example, if I want to put a parenthesis in the beginning and in the end, and inside the parenthesis I want to write my matrix, so I just need to write first here this sign, okay, and then I will write begin, begin, okay, and in the beginning I will put this parenthesis, okay, and inside this parenthesis I will write my actual parentheses. Okay, so this line doesn't display parentheses on our website. Okay, so inside these parentheses I will actually write my parentheses, and that is, I think, PMATRIX, P matrix or parenthesis matrix. Okay, and then I need to have A and B on the first row. Okay, and then I will have a blank line, and then I will have C and D on the next line. Okay, and then in the end I will also put my this P matrix as well. Okay, so I will write slash n, then this parenthesis, and I will say PMATRIX, P matrix, save it. Okay, so we got here an error, sorry, not this comma, just remove it and save it. And yeah, this is my matrix, and this is how you can write mathematical expressions in your web app. Okay, and I have the latex here as well. Okay, so this website, just go to this website, which is catex.org, and I will give a link of this website down below as well. And there are bunch of latex. Okay, so for example, if you want to write this type of a, you just need to type this line. Okay, if you want to write this, you just need to type this line. Okay, and there are bunch of accents, okay, and delimiters here as well, like if I want to put these brackets, okay, so you just need to write this thing. Okay, and there are a bunch of things, so you can go through all of these things. Okay, and I will give a link of these down below as well. Okay, and now the next thing that we need to discuss here is a JSON function. Okay, so what is JSON function? So JSON function basically allow us to add a JSON code in our web application. So I just need to, first of all, let's create a JSON code here. Okay, so JSON is equals to, and I will create JSON acts like a dictionary. Okay, so I will create a dictionary here, and I will say a, then this colon, and I will assign values to this a, and I will say 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and then I will put comma, then b. Okay, this is the key, then I need to write here the value, which will be 4 5 6. Okay, just now I just need to write here st.json, and here I just need to pass JSON JSON. Okay, save it and just go to this man.py, and yeah, this is how our JSON function looks like. Okay, so we have this expander here. Okay, and this is my key, and this is the value. Okay, this is my next key, and this is my next value. Okay, so this is how you can put JSON data in your web app. Okay, and now the last thing that I will discuss in this tutorial is .code function. So .code function basically allow us to display coding in our web app. Okay, so if I write here st.cod code, okay, and now let's create a simple Python code here. So I will write cod code is equals to, and I will say like print, and then I will say, sorry, print HELLOW, hello, WRLD world. Okay, and I will create, sorry, I will create a function here, dfdef, funct. Okay, and I will return a retur and return 0, nothing, just now let's copy this code. Okay, copy it and paste it here, save it, sorry, close, not like this, control Z, okay, code, and then I just need to write here code. Okay, just save it and rerun it, and yeah, this is our output. Okay, so as you can see, we have print, then def and return, and this code function basically takes one more extra argument, and that is language of your programming language. Okay, so like for example, this coding is written in Python language, so I will say ngug, sorry, ngug language is equals to then python in Python, save it and rerun it, and yeah, this is how it will look like. Okay, so it creates a minor difference. Okay, this is how you can embed coding in your web app. So I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will see something new. Till that point, bye bye.